In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Google Authenticator without old phone. If you've lost your previous device or upgraded to a new one and can't access your two-factor codes, the good news is that Google Authenticator can restore your accounts on a new phone if you previously linked the app to your Google account for sync. I'll walk you through what to do and share a few helpful tips so you can get back in quickly and safely. First, open the Google Authenticator app on your new phone. If you don't have it yet, install the official Google Authenticator from your App Store, then launch it. When the app opens, sign in with your Google account. Make sure this is the same Google account you used with Authenticator on your old device. That's important because the accounts you had in Authenticator are tied to that Google account when sync is enabled. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete sign-in. You may be asked to verify it's you, and that's normal. Use any available verification option you still control and proceed carefully. Once you're signed in, give the app a moment to finish syncing. After a brief pause, your accounts should automatically appear in the app. You'll see the familiar list of services with their 6-digit codes rotating every 30 seconds. This indicates your data has been restored from Google's Cloud Sync, and you can immediately start using those codes to sign in wherever two-factor authentication is required. If your accounts don't show up, run through a quick checklist. Confirm you're signed in with the exact same Google account you used before. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and that the app is updated to the latest version. If nothing appears after that, it likely means sync wasn't enabled on your old device. In that case, recovery has to happen with each service you protected. Use the provider's backup codes if you saved them, or start that service's account recovery or two-step reset process. It can take a bit longer, but it's the correct and secure path. Once your codes are visible again, test 1 or 2 logins to confirm everything works. Consider adding a screen lock or biometric protection to your phone and avoid taking screenshots of your codes. If any service offers fresh backup codes, store them in a safe place for the future. That's it. By signing in to Google Authenticator on your new phone with the same Google account, your two-factor codes should seamlessly return so you can get back to your accounts with confidence.